At the very beginning, I'm worried. You know, I'm worried about like not enough kids coming, right?
Yeah, and now
They started with only 3 kids confirmed, but now it's like 21 kids.
21.
Did you see this? Change the color. I think Alex. Do you think Alex will like it? I know. Like we were trying hard to find you one. And your cakes, they said they don't have strawberry flavor, so I go with the vanilla. Is that what you want? But I will put the between the layer with strawberry buttercream. They said. Does that work? Great. Okay. I hope that Alex didn't see this yet. It's a shark theme. Victoria and I shopping hard yesterday, kind of. Okay, this is Alex one. Ready? This is one. This is one. And she opened it. Gosh, I didn't see that. I didn't check it. Let me see. It is late. It's making me more nervous. Ooh, is this a sticker? Oh, wait. Is this a sticker?
Yeah, it is.
But why don't you keep it? What is this what works for? What is this works for? I'm so excited. You know, like your mom.
Give me.
Whoa, we need to work together. Wow. What is that? Come here, Emma. This is, yeah. Do you remember Auntie Yao when we visit Los Angeles? One of my mom's good friends. You know, like this company is she co-founded. She's one of the co-founder of the company.
What?
Yes. I'm so excited. Make it happen because you and your brother want a different theme. You can do that. Look at this. You know where it put on?
Yeah, the cupcake.
You know everything.
Wow.
Okay. Ooh. What is this?
Barbie!
It's a big one.
I
It's
know.
probably
Okay,
this tall.
try it.
Oh my gosh, look at this, Emma. Is that the cutest plate?
Oh, Emma, this is for you. Michelle.
Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this? Okay, this I think this is for the balloon. Oh! Hey, Emma. Oh wow. What is this?
I think that's the banner. Oh no,
No,
it's
this
a
is a
hat.
fish hat. Mermaid fish hat.
Oh, look at that!
Good job.
Okay,
Well, should it be
try it.
come? Oh, they. Look at this. It's a shark one.
Oh, that's so cute.
Look at.
Mommy!
Oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay, I think it's. We need to make it smaller. What else in there?
Bigger?
Let me try one.
This one is so cute.
Mommy! It's
What is-
gonna be small.
Yes. How do we know that it's gonna be small? Cute. Okay, we're gonna make it happen.
Emma,
Just
you
learn
ready?
that first.
Yeah.